Welcome friends, this is Dr. Vinay Bavkar. Friends, today I am going to talk about a very common topic, that is panic attack. Come on guys, let's start. Hey guys, please notice, this video is for informational purpose only and should not be used as a replacement for expert medical advice. Let's see the definition of panic attack or disorder. Panic attack is different from the normal fear and anxiety reactions to stressful events in our lives. Panic attack is a serious condition that strikes without reason or warning. Friends, the symptoms of panic attack are sensation of choking or smothering, difficulty in breathing, pounding heart or chest pain, intense feeling of dread or sweating, trembling or shaking, chills or hot flashes, dizziness or feeling faint, tingling or numbness, nausea or stomachache, and last but not the least, a fear that you are losing control or are about to die. These are the symptoms of panic attack. Guys, now let's talk about causes of panic attack. The first cause is family history. Panic disorder has been shown to run in families. It may be passed on to some people by one or both parents, much like hair or eye color can. Friends, the second cause of panic attack is abnormalities in the brain. Panic disorder may be caused by problems in part of the brain. Guys, third cause of panic attack is substance abuse. Abuse of drugs and alcohol can contribute to panic disorder. And last but not the least, cause of panic attack is major life stress. Friends, stressful events and major life transitions can trigger panic disorder. In today's world, this cause is the most important of all. Today, every person is facing tremendous stress in every section of his life. Let it be a health issue, finance issue, relationship issue, medical problem of loved ones. He finds it very difficult to cope up with all these problems together with positive attitude, hence falls prey to panic attacks. Friends, all the symptoms of panic attack are similar to that of an heart attack. So most of the people think they have got an heart attack and become more panic. Guys, now let's talk about the treatment of panic attack. First one is psychotherapy. Psychotherapy is a type of counseling addresses the emotional response to mental illness. It is a process in which trained mental health professionals help people by talking through strategies for understanding and dealing with their disorder. The second form of treatment is cognitive behavioral therapy, a type of psychotherapy that helps a person learn to recognize and change thought patterns and behaviors that lead to troublesome feelings. Therapy also aims to identify possibly triggers for panic attacks. Friends, the third number is medication. The antidepressant drugs like Paxil or Zoloft and anti-anxiety medications such as Xanax 81 or Klonopin are used to treat panic disorders. Sometimes Heart medications such as beta blockers are used to help with anxiety. The fourth and the last option is relaxation techniques. Relaxation techniques such as breathing retraining and positive visualization may help a person during an attack. Friends, I hope you liked my video on panic attack. This information will really help you to understand about the panic attack. Guys, if you like this video and want to see more such kind of videos, please subscribe to my channel. Take care guys, goodbye.